So in this session we are going to solve one problem on development of surface, the problem number 3 of your book, in which a right regular pentagonal prism is given who has the age of 20 mm, height 50 mm. It is resting on its base on one of its base edge perpendicular to VP, and now the auxiliary inclined plane, which is 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP, cuts its axis at a distance of 30 mm from the base. So you have to draw the development of lateral surface of a truncated prism. So first of all we are going to draw one line, that is we call it as XY line. Then we are going to draw a prism on its base. So the base edge is 20, so I have drawn this 20 mm line, right? After that you have to draw 72 degree exterior angle from both the sides, 72 and 20 mm side on both the side. So here 20, again 20, draw an arc from both the points. This is how you have completed your pentagon. Now as it is a prism, so its front view will be a rectangle, so that I can name it as A, B, C, D, E, and in front view we have a rectangle. Draw the projections. And now as it is a 50 mm height prism, that's why we will draw 50 mm height at this location, 50. So this is how your front view will look like. So this will be A dash B dash, this will be C dash E dash, and this is my D dash. Say for an example I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 name here. So this will be 1 dash, 2 dash, this will be 3 dash, 5 dash, this will be 4 dash point. You already know these things. Now it is cutting at a distance of 30 mm from the base. So distance of 30 mm from the base can be measured like this. So from this 30 mm, so it is cutting the axis at a distance of an auxiliary inclined plane at 30 degree at the and perpendicular to VP, cuts its axis at a distance of 30 mm from the base. So it is cutting the axis, so we have to measure the axis first. So for finding the axis, so midpoint of this point, and let's just take midpoint of this point, right, joining it with the opposite corners. So this point and this point. So this is my axis, I'd say O and S point. So I have to draw the projection of O and S just like this. So this will be a center line. Now at axis, from axis 30 mm point is here. So I can draw a light line and draw 30 degree line from here. So 30 degrees somewhat here, and I can join it. Let me just take a reference point here. Okay, fine. So I can join it like this. So this is also a section line, not a full line, and thick at both the ends, as you already know the type of line. So it will be thick at both the ends. So this is a cutting line. Now here these are the 2 points, right? Here again we got 2 points, and here we will get 1 point. Now if I open this pentagon, so for opening that, let's just take 1 point. This is a 20 mm side, so its perimeter will be 20 multiplied by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is equal to 100 mm. So you have to take 100 mm on this XY line. So this will be 100 mm line, right? And height will be same as 50 mm. After that, if I'm opening it, so I'm opening A to B first. So it's a 20 mm. So I can mark it as A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and again A to A. So I can name it as A. This will be B, C, D, E, and again E to A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and likewise. 1. Join all this line. So all this point become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again 5 to 1. So this is how it looks like. After that, you have to draw a projection from each and every point. So this is the line where it is intersecting 1 and 2. So from this point, I have to draw a line which is intersecting 1. So 1 is here, and again it is also intersecting a line of 2B and 1A. So this will be the point. Now coming back to this point, so this will be a line of 3C. This will be line of 3C. So I have to extend this line up to 3C's line. So again I am getting point in this, and this will also be extended to E5. So I have to extend it up to E5. Where is E5? Here it is. So I have to cut it over here. And this is a line of D4. Sorry, D4, yes. So I have to extend it up to D4. So where is D4? Here it is, D4. So from here I can draw this line. Again this is A1 line. So where it is intersecting A1. So I have to extend it up to A1. Right, now I can join all these points. So you can name anything, PQ, RS, or 1 double dash, 2 double dash, any name you can give. Now if I cut from here, so the above portion will be removed, only bottom portion will be there. So the bottom portion will be highlighted like this. Rest of the portion will be lighter. You have to dark only bottom portion. Right? So this is how my development of surface will look like. You can draw this projection line very lighter. So this is how it looks like, the development of surface of a pentagonal prism.